Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Brick Room. I'm Brendan Frederick with Becker Morgan Group, architect in town, also a board member of your local Habitat for Humanity. I want to welcome you to the High Heels and Hard Hat events and want to start you off with a nice drink as we start the festivities. Tonight we're going to make an old fashioned. What's cool about this drink is there's so many variants. The first part we're going to start with is a dash of sugar. This is a spoonful. You could also use sugar cubes or a simple syrup. What we want to do next is grab an orange peel. What you're looking at here is to have minimal pith, and then we're going to pinch it this way, like so we can express the oils. The next thing we want to do is grab a cherry. We can grab these and put them in. Having a hard time with the lid.
How about we try a Luxardo cherry?
Perfect.
Highest quality cherry for the best drink. Let me help you out.
This is Alex Scott, if you don't know already. It's fancy seeing you here at the Brick Room.
I was just stopping by for you.
Thanks, Alex. So what he's trying to do is, now we've added the cherry, we're going to muddle this around and just trying to get the oils and the flavors of the cherry into the sugar. As we let this sit, that sugar is going to absorb these wonderful flavors and help build our drink. The next step is we're going to take a nice big glass of ice. What we want to do is find a quality bourbon, pull the lid off, and we're looking for 2 ounces. There's an art to the pour. There we go. I may have a little extra. No one's watching. Next thing is we have bitters. You can do one or the other or both. This is Angostura, this is Pouchard's. We're going to do both tonight. So a couple dashes of each. There we go. Now, the important part in this trick is to not shake it like a rocks glass. It's the anti-bond. So we're going to stir this with a little swivel stick. And a seasoned bartender would be way more proficient at this than I am. But it's getting the job done. I want to thank you all for coming out here tonight and supporting this great cause. Habitat does so much for the community. So now that that's sufficiently stirred and chilled, we are going to put on our strainer. And before we get to pouring, we want to look at this fantastic ice cube, specially designed for this drink. Put it there, and now we're going to slowly pour, make sure I don't drop that, over the ice to continue to build the drink and chill the nice liquid as we're coming down. And we're going to garnish with a zest of orange. Cheers! I want to thank you all for supporting Habitat tonight. Thank you, Alex, in the Brick Room. Molly, you're up.